Are you worrying about your child's studies? Are you looking for a good tuition center? Is your child weak in studies, but excellent in fashion designing, computer and creativity? Then your unique choice and solution is ominstitutions, a one-step solution for all your education requirements. ominstitutions conducts tuitions to students for class 1st to 12th standard. ominstitutions provide courses in fashion designing, computer technology, language skills and beauty therapy, all in one roof. Classes handled by experts. You can rest assured by entrusting the students in the right hands. ominstitutions not only educate the students, guide and counsels them to choose the right future career. We are providing add-on courses, absolutely free for all students. What are you waiting for? Hurry up. Step in and get the offers.